and smoke them.
About ready?
Yep.
Alright, let's try that video. Bunch of bees all through there. Hey, you probably set that lid on the boat.
No, I set it
or,
right there.
Or on the,
No, I set it right there for a reason.
Okay, your tool's right up here.
Every now and again, hit that smoker, please. I messed up last time. Grab the bee on the...
Mm-hmm. See, all that's going to be in our way.
How?
Well, I got that little board over there set up, and I kind of wanted you to put that lid up there on that camper shell, but whatever.
You do this on every single video where you start talking smack. Is that a hive beetle? Watch it.
Didn't know.
There's one of them. But we have hive beetle larvae. I don't think we have waxworm larvae.
Yeah, what is that?
That's a hive beetle.
Flew off.
Make it fly. Alright.
Now let's check all these frames. Here's a frame grabber. Unless you just want to get them by hand.
I think this one's empty. Yeah, empty.
There's a ton of them up there on that second deep. They are not happy down here.
Smoke them a little bit. Good job. I don't see any comb being built.
We found some last time.
In the upper super?
Mm-hmm. Anything on your side?
Mm-mm.
Nothing. Just bees every now and then. They're exploring it, but they're not doing a darn thing with it. Check all these frames, really. They glue them real good.
Nah, nothing on that one.
Nothing.
Mm-mm. Nothing on that one.
I could have swore we found something promising on one of these frames.
Nothing on mine.
No work on that one. So nothing so far in the upper super.
You have to make sure the smoker stays going. Every now and again you have to puff it.
Yeah, set it over there because the wind is blowing right towards me now.
That was blowing the opposite way. I don't think there's going to be anything on these, John, as far as I'm seeing down through here. And I can see pretty good down through here. There's
Hey,
nothing.
don't do that. I'm pulling this up.
There's nothing on that one, and there's nothing on the next one. All we're doing is keeping time, agitating the bees here like this. Maybe that they're going to be working the
That other deep.
Yep. Can you hold this?
Alright.
is always a tricky part here. There we go. Alright, hold this, and I'm gonna twist and lift this off, okay? Just hold this down, or get ready to catch it, but so it don't fall.
Catch the... Lots of bees on that. They're working that.
Are they working cone wise?
Excuse me. Based on the way they're up there, maybe they've made progress since 8 or 9 days ago. Alright, the frame grabber. Uh-oh. Got one of them checking us out.
Where? Oh, flyer?
Mm-hmm.
There. Alright.
Frame grabber.
Tool.
Right here.
See, there's not much activity on this side. There's a lot of activity on this. These over here, though. Yeah, get rid of that smoker. Go ahead and smoke them, Bo. Or the ones mainly, especially the ones coming up. Alright, we're about to have a frame here. Some coming up.
Pull the frame on up. Now that looks like honeycomb. That's honeycomb on this side, Bo.
I believe it may be on this side too.
Finally. It took them forever to start making honeycomb.
Do you see any eggs down in there?
Let me look. Matter of fact, let me zoom in some. Well, I reckon I ought to put it on macro mode. Alright, you're going to have to hold it still.
I'm trying.
If you get your head out of my way, then I can,
That's honeycomb.
we can see this on the computer.
No, there's larva.
Where?
There's larva on this side over here. All down there, all curled up.
Alright, let it focus.
Little sea grubs. Very helping.
Yep, there's a pupa right there.
Yeah, that's not honeycomb, unfortunately.
Damn.
But that's a sure lot of daggone brood. I need you to make sure that smoke is still doing right there.
Yeah, let me go ahead and smoke these guys.
You don't need to smoke the frame. You need to make sure that you smoke them as they're going down.
Smoking the edge.
In the corners.
They're focusing over here. That edge. Really do want to find some honeycomb though. Go ahead and check some more frames in there.
Okay. Check some outer frames because a lot of times there'll be a honeycomb on the outside. Well, see, these are empty. I can see down in there. I can tell they're empty.
They're empty?
They are, but this one had a lot. The one in between, I'm curious about it.
It's not really honeycomb.
Oh, just new comb, storage comb.
Is it storage?
Yeah, see all the pollen. There's some pollen inside of there. They're trying. They've moved the brood nest up here toward the top middle. Get rid of that smoker.
Nah, it ain't worth it checking that one. I'd check on further down.
Nah, they're not building on further down right now. Because that one didn't have hardly any building going on. So what I will do though is about to take this box off and check the main box with the cleaning area. You see this smoke?
I haven't seen any waxworms. We're reckoning that those are hive beetle larvae that we see.
They very well could be too. Okay. This now. The tough part. What's all that?
What's all what?
I thought something got on my head and hat. Alright. Put it down. Get ready to hold this the same way you did last time. B. Up and off for the twist. Smoking. Bad idea for checking. You know when they go to damn popping the shit out of it, don't they?
Mm-hmm. Good cussing. Want to just see if we can find a queen?
No, I don't even want to find a queen. All I want to do is see if they got honeycomb on the outsides.
Grab one of the busiest looking frames. What they do is they'll build honeycomb around the brood.
Hey, I need to smoke this corner, please.
They are not happy. By the way, it's been 12 minutes and 30 seconds.
Oh, really? Alright.
There's a crushed dead bee. Let's check this one.
Here, please smoke it. Smoke in the air, too. Alright, hope.
Nothing but dark broodcomb.
It's all broodcomb. The larvae look good though. There's no European fowl or American fowl brood.
Hey, hang on. Is that drone comb on this outside?
Yeah, that's supposed to be there.
Where's the honeycomb?
I don't see any honeycomb. Maybe our bees don't make honey.
And then there's a bunch of pupa.
Alright, smoke it. These guys are going back up.
Smoke the frame. Oh, good God.
Please smoke.
Bubba, you just now helped me smoke that frame. Alright, let me chase them down. Is that thing falling? I guess it is falling. That frame. Alright, put it all back together. With a quickness. Wow, that's a neat looking deal.
Smoke real quick because they're looking up at me over here, please.
Yeah.
Smoke it. A lot of broodcomb.
Alright, I'm gonna need that smoker before you put that box in here. Alright, get back, bees, please. I don't want to kill none of y'all. You bees cool with me.
funny, the bee books always talk about just sliding these on gently. But they don't talk about the fact propolis makes it where you can't slide it. All that damn glue.
About lined up, not quite though.
Keep that smoke from
Shoot. I'm sweating like a pig.
Me too.
Oh, smoker is steaming now. I should say smoking. Uh-oh, there's two of them. Ain't sure what the hell they're doing. One of them must be dead. Yep. What out a dead one?
Alright, Bo.
That's janitorial duties. Get on down. Get on down. Hopefully Mr. Wendell can tell us why we don't see any honey. They're a lot more quiet with that lid on there. You know, we should have got some of that confectioner's sugar.
Yes. Especially, we're probably going to have to get it.
I don't think I need to smoke them anymore.
Probably going to have to get an SHB trap.
A hive beetle. Small hive beetle trap.
Yeah. What's the matter here?
Gotta get that sucker positioned on there.
Let's keep raccoons out.
Think we ought to put that kick plate in there or no?
Let's wait. They didn't seem very disturbed as far as... We didn't even use the damn frame hanger.
Well, we didn't need to. They were so ticked off. Alright, I'm gonna cut it on off.
Cut it off.